In the last video, we connected our local repository to GitHub and pushed our first code. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful concepts in Git, that is branches. So we will understand what branches are, why we use them, and how to create them. So what is a branch? The first question arises, what? And then we'll move why, and then how. These are the three questions related to branching. Okay, we'll first focus on what. So what is branch? What are branches? So I'm making the small tree here. Just focus on this tree. So this is the main branch. Okay, so this is the main branch. Now from here, there are multiple branches, right? A multiple flow of branches are there. So branches, so these branches are the exact copy of the branch, the main branch. These main branch also known as sometimes called as master. Okay, so master is also a keyword or a name of the main branch. Okay, you can also take an example from here. Okay, just focus here first and then I will let you know what you have to do with the branches thing. So imagine your project history is running like this. Here is your main first commit, the commit you completed in the previous video. Here is the second commit and here is the third commit. Okay, so right now I just want to add a feature at this point of time. Right now I haven't added this third feature, but at this point of time I remembered, okay, I have to work on another feature. So this set of another feature, this is another feature block. Okay, so when I want to add this feature block inside this main branch, and this is the feature block, that is the branch, feature branch. I want to add this feature inside the main branch. So at this point of time, a replication of exact copy of the main branch is created with all the same code, same line of code. Everything is same. Whatever history is there, whatever commits are there, everything is same. So a parallel line will be created, a parallel branch will be created where you can simply add this feature block, and after committing the changes you can go back in the main branch and add or merge these features. So this is the main idea of using branches. Okay, branches are extremely useful because they allow multiple people to work on different features at the same time. So this is the one thing. Why? So you multiple people can work on the same project at the same time, right? Next feature is you can test new ideas. As I just don't want this carousel here. Maybe I can add a notice board here in the website, so I can check in a parallel line, right? Parallel code. So these parallel codes help me to understand the ideas, that if it look good or not. If it, then I will merge this thing in the main branch and show to the users that this is the main idea. This is the new improved code. Okay, if something breaks, so your main code remain untouched. So untouched. So think that your main branch is the main leader in a war, and in front of that leader multiple layers are there. So these are some features, these are some features, these are some features, so maybe this feature is like get corrupted or have some errors. Okay, so these file can get some error and maybe corrupted. So your main branch is not affected by these things. The main branch have separate code. Okay, so this is one more feature. So each branch is like a sandbox. You can build, test, and only merge it back when it's ready, right? So the next question is how we can create a branch. The command to create a new branch is simple. The command is git branch and the name of the branch, whatever branch you want to use. I just want to use here feature login branch. A feature named as a login will be added here. So I'm just want to use that login feature here. This doesn't switch you to the new branch yet. It just create it. Okay, now to check all the branches, what you can use next is git branch. Okay, okay. The next command is switching between the branches. I want to switch to different branch. The next command will be used as git checkout. Okay, and then and the branch name, of course, feature login. Okay, if the branch name is different, for example, I have added a different branch named as feature logout or something like that, so we hardly have to change this here, right? And the next command, maybe you want to merge the branches, right? So the next command will be git merge. Okay, so these are some commands which are very important in this branch thing, right? So just first focus on this terminologies, these commands in the Visual Studio. Okay, now right now we are at Visual Studio. Now what we have to do is, in the previous video, we already have used the initialization, addition, and commit in the remote directory, remote repo, right? At the GitHub. Now in this video, we'll focus on this branch thing. So we'll first create a branch. The command we will use here to create a branch is git branch. And maybe I want to write branch as branch name as something called feature one. Let's see if it is created or not. It is created. How we can see that if it is created or not? Simply write git branch. Now you can see the output in the terminal. One is feature one and second is the master. Now we are at a master branch. What this star shows is that, okay, you are at this branch right now. And you can also verify, re-verify from here. Here you can see that, okay, you are right now at the master branch. Okay, the next thing arises is like switching between the branches. Now to switch it between different branch, what you have to write is, right now you are at masters. Now I want to go to feature one branch. Git checkout, git checkout, and then feature one. This is the command. Now if I simply, okay, sorry, spelling mistake. Uh, Now if I enter here, you can see output will be appeared, okay, that you switched to branch feature one. Now where you have to re-verify this, see here. You can simply see that the master word is changed to feature one thing, right? Now whatever things you change here in this file right now and commit here in this branch will be only here till you merge it. Okay, so these are very small things, but mainly this Git and GitHub revolves around branches, commit, and track history. So you have to go with each terms very carefully. In newer Git versions, you can also use Git switch feature login. Okay, instead of this checkout, you can simply write Git switch and the branch name, whatever branch you want to use. This is the bonus thing. Now, what we have to do is like writing and merging something in the new branch. Okay, so if I want something to be merged, I must do some commit side. So I will write a new statement here. This is day 1 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 something of learning it. Okay, so this is the new line I added. Now, what the commands we have to use first? First, git what git add all. I'm just using all thing. Okay, just adding all. Next command is git commit the message. What the message you want to put is second commit, my friend. Second commit. Okay, enter. You can see a new commit ID in the feature branch, second commit. One file changed, two insertions, one deletion. Okay, I might have deleted some spaces from there. Okay, so whatever you do is shown here. Now what we have to do is git merge. Now I want to merge it. Okay, before merging, in which file you want to merge? In the main file, right? So we are right now at the feature one file, feature one branch. So what we have to do is first move to main. So here we are using master. So we'll first move to master. Now your branch is up to date with origin master. Okay. Now you see in the master, you can't see the second statement. And when you go back to git checkout to feature one, now you can see the line here, the new line added, right? So both are working parallelly and with the different history from there where we changed the branches, where we created a new branch. Till that time, it is totally copied. Okay. Coming back to the main master branch. Okay, coming back to the master branch, now we want to merge the things we have created added in the feature one branch. Now we will use the command git merge and the command go with branch name feature one. So by using this command, you can simply see the new feature, new statement is added in the main master branch too. Okay, it is now appeared here, right? So fast forward thing, nodes.txt, 3, 2 insertion and 1 deletion, 1 file changed. So total information regarding that, whatever done, is shown in the terminal. Now after changing the things in the feature one branch. Now after merging these things, now I just want to delete that extra branch. I just don't want a lot of branches in my Git repositories. So what command we can use is git branch d. This d keyword is used for deletion thing, and whatever branch you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this feature one branch. Now when you go and type git branch, now you can see a single branch is appeared. That is the master branch in which you are right now. So this you can see. And here's an output of deleted the branch feature one and the commit ID, what the commit ID of that branch was. Okay. This video we completed branch, right? We completed this topic. We have seen these terminologies, these commands, git branch, feature, how to check out, how to merge, and how to delete also this keyword. We also completed these things. So in the next video, we learn about the branches when they collide. When two branches collide, merge. So there will be a collaboration errors, conflicts. So these merge conflicts, how to solve them, we will see in the next video. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe to Zentex Comment for more practical Git and GitHub tutorials.